What are you doing, Rue? Rock? Gerplop. 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 Ah! Are you gonna rock? Are you gonna climb on Mr. Panda? You gonna ride Mr. Panda? Whoa! Hey, Rue. What's this thing right here? What's this? What's this? What's that? What's that? Scar. Can you tell me how you got it? When you were a baby, you had...
No.
What'd you have?
No.
No? You don't want to talk about it?
No.
No, talk about it? I thought you'd tell me where you got your cool scar. When you're a baby, you had... What did you have? No? Did you have two holes in your... And then you had a... Whoa! Had two holes in your heart, and then you had a... and then you had a... Wiggle giggle. So you had two holes in your heart, and then you got a... No? Okay. Okay.
No, okay.
No? Okay. An operation? And you're... I'll better now. I'll better now. The bear sings? Bear sings. Where are you going, love? You put him with the other bears? What'd you find? A doggy has what? He needs a bath. Why does he need a bath? Because he has... He has toys. What did he get on him? Paint. Who put paint on him? Oh, hell he did. Stay there? Okay. Are you riding your panda? That is wet. You know what that's for? You know what Mama's going to do with that? Wipe your booty. Yeah, put water on with the water bottle. I'm going to wipe your booty so we can change your diaper. So we can go to Lowe's and play. you was going to do with the flower.
Water bottle.
No, not water bottle. You make a mess with the water bottle.
Water bottle.
Where are we going to go?
Water bottle.
Are we going to go to Lowe's? What are we going to go after Lowe's?
Water bottle.
No.
Water bottle. Water bottle.
See ya. Where are you going?